So we're going to get to work on the pickguard now. As we said, this is the original black pickguard, and you can see that from the back it's actually black plastic, as it's supposed to be. And I don't know what way the front was done, just from the feel of it, it was just sprayed, it seems to be. So we're hoping that this will just scrape off and we can get down to the original black, and then we'll probably have to go through various grits of very light sandpaper and try and get it back to as original as we can. So first thing we're going to do is we're just going to give it a quick clean and see what we can do. This is Crimson Guitar's fretboard and finish cleaner, so we're just going to start with that and just get some of this gunk off. You can see it's coming away easy enough. So with that crud off, what we're going to do now is we're just going to take a razor blade here and we're just going to go around the edges and see what happens there, where we know the paint is going to be thinner. So we're already getting the black to show up a bit more just on the edge here. We're just going to keep going lightly all over the front and all over the sides, as gently as we can. We don't put any gouges or marks in with the razor blade, or we'll probably end up using card scrapers and a scalpel blade in that as well. So we'll just keep working away and we'll bring you back when we have some progress. So just to show you where we are, a lot of the paint has come off. It's coming off handily enough. As I said, we're just using razor blades, scalpel blades, scrapers and stuff. We use the electric sander for a bit just to see, but it's just a bit too risky. We don't want to go in too deep. So as I said, we'll just keep working away, taking the paint off, and then we'll work our way up through various grits to get it nice and polished and clean and looking like how it should. So we'll bring you back when the whole process is done. So now there's our pickguard. We've scraped the sides, completely taken the white paint that was on the top off, and we went over the top with scrapers, razor blades, scalpels, and lots of different grits of sandpaper, and then just at the end there we just gave it a quick polish. It's not to a mirror like shine or anything like that, but when we do the rest of the paintwork on the body, and once we put back in all the white parts that are slightly aged as well, it should fit in a lot better than it would if it looked like it was just brand new, taken out of the plastic. So that's that, pickguard done. So now we'll reinstall everything back into that and have it ready to go back into the body.